county, county.
That county is very poor. That county is very poor.
Couple, couple.
He ate a couple of eggs.
He ate a couple of eggs. Courage, courage.
He has the courage to say what he thinks.
Course, course.
What course are you taking at the university?
Court, court.
He's due to appear in court again on Monday.
He's due to appear in court again on Monday. Cousin, cousin.
He is my cousin.
He is my cousin. Cover, cover.
You should cover your mouth when you cough.
You should cover your mouth when you cough. Covered, covered.
His face was covered in blood.
His face was covered in blood. Cow, cow.
We watched the cow suckling her calves.
Crash, crash.
The car crashed into a tree.
The car crashed into a tree. Crazy, crazy.
He is crazy about boxing.
He is crazy about boxing. Cream, cream.
I love chocolate creams.
I love chocolate creams. Create.
Dickens created many wonderful characters in his novels.
Creation, creation.
Imagination is the source of creation.
Creative, creative.
She's a very creative person.
She's a very creative person. Creature, creature.
Monkeys are dumb creatures.
Monkeys are dumb creatures. Credit, credit.
I did not credit the boy's story.
Crew, crew.
Those are officers and crew.
Those are officers and crew. Crime, crime.
Murder is a serious crime.
Criminal, criminal.
They sent the criminal to jail.
Crisis, crisis.
Affairs have reached a crisis.
Criterion, criterion.
Practice is the criterion of truth.
Critic, critic.
He is the best critic.
Critical, critical.
The sick man's condition is critical.
Criticism, criticism.
He hates criticism. He hates criticism.
Criticize, criticize.
We criticized him for being unjust.
Crop, crop.
Climate change impacts global crop production.
Cross, cross.
The hikers found a sturdy log to cross the narrow stream.
Crowd, crowd.
The cheering crowd celebrated the winning goal.
Crowded, crowded.
The bus was so crowded that passengers stood shoulder to shoulder.
Crucial, crucial.
Clear communication is crucial for a successful team project.
Cruel, cruel.
He is cruel to animals.
Cry, cry.
The drowning man cried, "Help!"
cultural, cultural,
He is interested in cultural studies.
culture, culture,
He has studies the culture of Oriental countries.
cup, cup,
Each team wanted to win the cup.
cupboard, cupboard,
We keep our dishes or clothes in a cupboard.
cure, cure,
The medicine cured his illness.
the medicine cured his illness. curly, curly,
I have curly hair.
I have curly hair. currency, currency,
She checked the currency exchange rates before making a purchase online.